The Caroma Peak 800-watt electric scooter is designed with versatility in mind, featuring a removable child seat that easily converts it from a solo commuter vehicle to a family-friendly ride. Equipped with a robust 375 watt-hour battery and a peak 800-watt motor, this scooter offers an impressive range of up to 22 miles and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The foldable design, height-adjustable seats, and removable rear basket make this scooter an excellent choice for those needing compact storage solutions. Riding comfort and safety are prioritized with the scooter's exceptional suspension system and responsive dual-disc brakes, ensuring stability and quick stopping power. Puncture-resistant 12-inch tires and durable construction allow the Caroma Peak scooter to handle daily wear and tear, supporting a maximum load of 265 pounds. The scooter comes nearly fully assembled, with comprehensive support and easy installation, ensuring that any potential issues are promptly addressed by the manufacturer.